Hey there, Hannah here with Delta Faucet. Today we're going to walk through how to install a Delta H2Okinetic Raincan. This product adds extra functionality without requiring any changes to your plumbing. And the best part is that this upgrade is both quick and straightforward. Let's collect the tools you may need to install this Raincan. You may need an adjustable wrench and also a towel for some light water cleanup. If you're ready, let's get started. To remove your old shower head, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise by this ball joint back here. Now, I can unscrew mine with just my hand, but if you need to, you can use a wrench. And when you do that, you wanna make sure that you're hanging on to the shower arm back here so that it also doesn't unscrew from the wall. You just wanna unscrew your shower head. Now, when you take this off, there could be some water that comes out. There also may be some thread tape here on the threads of the shower arm. If there is, you wanna go ahead and clean that off, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. All right, I have our new shower head here. And the first thing you wanna check is to make sure that there is a gasket in this ball joint here. If yours at home didn't come pre-installed, or if it looks like it's crooked or falling out, you can just press it into place to make sure it's seated properly. All right, to install this, we're gonna line it up with the threads on our shower arm and turn it clockwise. We're not gonna use any tools or any thread seal tape on this. I'm just gonna hand tighten it till it's snug. Now you wanna make sure that this button here is oriented down. That's how you change your spray settings. So you wanna make sure it's easily reachable. All right, that looks good. Next, you're gonna turn your water on and check for leaks at your connection. And that wraps up our install. I hope it went well for you. And as always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're more than happy to help.